Looking for a way to stay cool on scorching summer days without giving up your beloved coffee? Espresso Tonic is a one-of-a-kind drink that brings together the refreshing sparkle of tonic water and the bold, aromatic punch of espresso. It might sound like an unexpected combo, but trust me, this coffee cocktail is winning over the hearts of caffeine lovers and citrus fanatics alike. To whip up this drink, we'll need a shot of espresso. I'm brewing mine today with an AeroPress, which means I've got a fresh, rich espresso in under a minute. Next, I fill a glass with ice and pour in some crisp, refreshing tonic, making sure to leave just enough room for that shot of espresso, which I pour in right on top. This coffee drink shines brightest on hot, sunny days, icy, fizzy, and bursting with flavor. Let me know down in the comments how you stay cool when the temperature climbs. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.